May the 30th, 2022. Guys, a lot of comments about information or wanting to get more information about tonight's meteor shower. What you're looking at is from April 2006, and it goes forward in time, but it's the breakup of Comet 73P. Check this out. They continue to orbit around the sun, which they do about every 5.5 years or so. They get weaker, and you'll finally see some breakup and disintegration. And this thing has continued to break up. And this was, again, 2006. And the red line you're seeing is the ion trail from the comet. And then you're seeing the different pieces of it blowing back. Now, the ion tail is the tail that blows directly from the sun through the comet. And then you see a tail on these objects that is not the ion tail. It's the comet debris trail. But it was amazing. And you may remember photographs from 2007. And this is called Cascading Fragmentation of Comet 73P Schwarzmann-Wachmann 3. Check that out. And you see where those different sections are breaking apart. And that disintegration is what made that beautiful array. Come out of the Institute of Astronomy, Bulgarian Academy of Sciences. It says a brand new meteor shower could light up tonight's Memorial Day holiday sky on Monday and Tuesday, May 30th, or it may be a big bust. But either way, you will be able to watch it live online. Now, you may be able to see it in a lot of places unless it's really stormy, because it's a new moon tonight, which means it's no moon as far as visible light. It's called the Ta Hercules meteor shower. The event has the potential to be a so-called meteor storm of 1,000 shooting stars per hour. That would be one of the largest ever. This is overnight tonight as the Earth passes through the debris from Comet 73P. But it could also fizzle out completely. Scientists just don't know yet. One NASA scientist called it an all-or-nothing event. And again, each year we go through this event, but we go through a different section of the debris trail. You can watch live TV of the possible meteor shower overnight, Monday and early Tuesday. That time will be midnight tonight. And you can come here. This is the Virtual Telescope Project 2.0 if it's overcast. Now, it starts again midnight, and you can sign up then, but you have to wait till midnight because they don't want to have to pay for the bandwidth for the live streaming up to that time. And again, it's because it is called the Ta Hercules meteor shower, but it comes out of the Arcturus star group right there. And if you come here, it's going to give you some information, different views of the different breakups of the comet. It says all you got to do, it's free to join. You just need to enter at the date and time above. And this is giving you 0400 UTC, which is midnight, guys, on the East Coast, and 11 a.m. Central, 10 Mountain, and 9 over on the west side. Now, this is one of the ways that you can find Arcturus. Guys, it's the fourth brightest star in the sky. It's 25 times larger than our sun, but it is the brightest star in the northern horizon. And there's a natural curve in the handle of the Big Dipper. You can follow that arc. Again, from New York, you'll be looking east and south. It says from New York City, Arcturus is visible all night. It will become visible around 12:53 ED time. That is 8:53 on the East Coast, 59 degrees above your southeastern horizon. So look east and slightly south from New York. As dusk fades to the darkness, it will then reach its highest point in the sky at 22:37, which is 10:37. And so that's East Coast time. East, mid-evening, looking south. Also notice that it's the tail end of Boots the Herdsman. And Arcturus is also called in China the Dragon. Alert observers might also see meteors from previous visits of the comet, but with less activity than they expected from 1995 breakup. A light increase. Now that's when it started, but it really broke up in the 2006 images you saw. A slight increase in meteor counts may occur anytime between May 28th and June 1st. Remember, this can go on for a couple of days. Dust from the comets, 1892 and 1897 visits may appear in our sky between 1600 tonight and about 10 UTC on May 31st. In other words, before it broke up, they'd always leave dust. So at 1600 UTC tonight, guys, that would be around 8 p.m. You may start seeing this dust on the East Coast. The radiant will be high in the sky for much of the northern and central North America. But from the northwestern United States and much of Canada, with the sun far north of the equator in late May, it will be twilight during the peak of the meteor shower. So the further east you are, the more you're going to get to see it. And because at that time, again, you got twilight. But I'll put the link for you guys in the West Coast to the virtual telescope project below this. I just wanted to mention that, guys. It may be very interesting. They said it's a boom or bust. Could be up to 1,000 meteors per hour. So it is worth checking out. So heads up, be safe.